Welcome back again to our channel. So today we are going to learn Uthan in Kathak. So in this composition we use basically in Kathak there are 4 words which is ta, thai, tat, a. You see like we did takkar, ta, thai, thai, tat, a, thai, thai, tat. So the Uthan, there are many types of Uthan in Kathak, but in this Uthan especially we are going to use just these 4 words only, ta, thai, tat, a. But we will use these words randomly, like sometimes we will start the sentence with thai, sometimes we will start the whole sentence with tat. So we are just reorganize all the words according to the movement or the composition. So in this Uthan, first we will going to read with Tali Khali, then we will go with the notation. Notation is ready, but before that just listen the composition, then you will able to understand the notation more comfortably. So tagadikiti da din tagadin din da tit da din tagadin din da da tit da 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 din tagadin din ta tit ta din tagadin din da ta thi thi tat a thi thi tat ta thi thi tat a thi thi tat thi ta thi ta thi ta at ta a thi ta thi ta thi ta at ta a thi ta thi ta thi ta at ta. Okay, so you saw in this composition there is not another word is coming in this whole composition, just ta thi tat a, ta thi thi tat. So let's go with the notation. In this notation you will understand it more clearly. Okay, dha din 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 dha tit dha din din dha a dha tin din ta ta din din dha a dha. Okay, so ta thai thai tat, first is this ta thai thai tat, and you know what is the meaning of S. Instead of writing gap we just write S. Okay, so ta thi thi tat a thi thi tat. And when we make some compositions in notation, so in Kathak there is another theory which is called knowledge of jati, or there are many other theories are also there. So this is whatever we are doing, basically the dancing, whatever we dance basically mostly in Chatushra Jati, which is coming with 4/4. In one beat we use 2 words or 4 beats or 4 words or 8 words, 16 words. That if you are using in one beat 2 words, 4 words, 8 words, that means it's a Chatushra Jati composition. So you see ta thi thi tat a thi thi tat, that tat is coming in 3rd beat. Why? Because we are using the same 4 beats only, 4 words only, but there is some gap in between those 4 words. If the composition would be ta thi thi tat a thi thi tat ta thi thi tat, but the composition is taking gap after ta thi thi tat. So we are putting one gap, and if you are using that gap, it means only 3 words can come in the 2nd beat. So the 4th word will shift to the 3rd beat. Okay, so ta thi thi tat a thi thi tat. So the gap you have to put between ta thi thi tat and a thi thi tat. Ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, ta thi thi. So after every tat there is a gap. If you are using in third beat, after tat you are using gap, so the left space is only for 2 words. So next 2 words will come in this, and another 2 words will start from fourth beat. Okay, so this gapping you need to understand more clearly if you are doing notation of compositions. Okay, ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat. Understand? So 1, 2, 3, 4, ta thi thi tat. Gap is 1, a thi thi, 4 words are there. Then tat, gap, ta thi, another 4 words. Thi tat, gap, a, another 4. Thi tat, gap, again 4. Okay? Ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, thi ta thi, e. Now, if you will see, if like you saw the first gappings, no? Ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat. There is short gap. That's why we are using only one S. In theta thi e, theta thi, theta thi e. So there is a long gap. So for that long gap, keep 4 numbers always be there. If you are not using 4 words, it means somehow when you will reach to the end, the notation will not come correctly. So you have to follow the gappings more clearly. Ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, thi ta thi, e ta thi, e ta at ta, a thi ta thi, e ta thi, e ta at ta, a thi ta thi, e ta thi, e ta at ta. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everywhere we are using 4 words only. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. First, try to read it little more clearly. Ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat. When you are reading with the tali, you can understand. Ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat. Okay? And sometimes when we do the padan, our brain doesn't work very properly to keep the beat properly. Okay? So instead of tali, you can do the padan with lehra. Okay? So if the lehra is going on, because that lehra will not fluctuate, that lehra will go in one speed. With that lehra, try to speak uthan and keep the beats with lehra. So then you can understand more nicely. So ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, that force, which word is coming to the force, the beat will start from that word. Ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, thi ta thi, e ta thi, e, ta at, ta, a. Now ta, a. Now again after this there is no words are coming in this beat. Ta, a, thi ta thi. So instead of a, we are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 S in between. Okay? So thi ta thi, e ta thi, e ta at, ta, a, thi ta thi, e ta thi, e ta at, ta at, ta, a, thi ta thi, e ta thi, e ta at, ta. Okay? One more time, then we will go for the movements. Ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, ta thi thi tat, a thi thi tat, thi ta thi, e ta thi, e ta at, ta, a thi ta thi, e ta thi, e ta at, ta, a thi ta thi, e ta thi, e ta at, ta. Okay, so this is called Uthan. There are many Uthans in which we use different words also, but this Uthan is using particularly we are using just these 4 words. So very special dance composition. With few words you are making the whole dance composition. Okay, so let's do the movements of this Uthan. Okay, so let's do it. The movements of Uthan. So in this, first we will stand in the first position of Kathak, which is called Utpatti. Okay, and now first movement of Ta Thei Thei Tat. You remember we did a movement exercise. We will use the same movements for this Uthan. So Ta Thei Thei Tat. This will not going to change. So Ta Thei Thei Tat. Okay, and Ta Thei Thei Tat. Done. Ta Thei Thei Tat. Ta Thei Thei Tat. Now second Ta Thei Thei Tat, A Thei Thei Tat will go from down. Okay, Ta Thei Thei Tat. Ta Thei Thei Tat. Okay, understand? Ta Thei Thei Tat. Ta Thei Thei Tat. Ta Thei Thei Tat. Ta Thei Thei Tat. Now Thei Ta Thei I Ta Thei I Ta At Ta. For Thei Ta Thei, Thei Ta Thei. Stretch. When you are throwing your hand down, stretch your body from here. Thei. Thei Ta. Thei. Okay? Don't go with this structure. Because you are focusing on your right hand, so sometimes we just focus on one side only. So your left side will automatically follow your right hand. So stretch it back when you are doing Thei. Okay? Thei. Not this. This. Thei, Ta, and when you are focusing on left, keep your brain here also. Stretch it out a little. Don't follow your left hand. Thei. Thei, Ta, Thei. After this, take one round. E. In the gap, take one round. Okay? Thei, Ta, Thei, E. Now, in Uthan, we use different kind of posture or a picture. Okay? And for that, we call it Nikas. Okay? From Uthan, we introduce Nikas also. And Nikas is basically show the picture of Tribhang. In all the classical dance form, we use Tribhang position. Okay, in Odissi there are different type of Tribhang. In Bharatanatyam there are different, but in classical dance, Tribhang have a very important role. Okay, so how we show Tribhang in Kathak? Basically, Tribhang is a triangle. When you show 3 different angles with your body. Okay, so in this Tribhang we will use right hand to that side. Okay, legs will be crossed. Right leg focus to the front. Okay, and left whole weight will be on your right leg. This left leg, just put the toe down, facing towards your right leg. Okay, toes will be facing to your right leg. Now, this is one triangle. You see? Then, and left hand up, and body little bit curve from your right side. Ta. Okay, this is called Nikas. Okay, Ta at Ta. Now, how we will come to this image while dancing? So, we were there. Hey, ta, hey, e, ta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey, ta, at, ta. Okay? After this, take one more round. A. Then again, hey, ta, hey, e, ta, hey, ta, at, ta. A, hey, ta, hey, e, ta, hey, ta, at, ta. Okay? One more time, slow. Ta, thi, thi, tat. A, thi, thi, tat. Ta, thi, thi, tat. A, thi, thi, tat. Hey, ta, hey, e, ta, hey, ta, at, ta. A, hey, ta, hey, e, ta, hey, ta, at, ta. A, hey, ta, hey, e, ta, hey, ta, at, ta. So you see, we are not tapping the last ta with our feet because we are giving some with our neck and eyes. Okay? In the last ta, we are using our neck with force and eyes coming sharp. Okay? So, ta, hey, ta, at, ta. And after reaching to one particular, if you are focusing one side, don't move your eyes here and there, because that is a perfect image when you are stopping. Okay? Between doing all the movements, you are moving your eyes, head and hands and your body, but when you are stopping, at that moment you have to be still. Don't move in that. Hey, ta, hey, ta, hey, ta, at, ta. Okay? And if you can exercise little bit with your eyebrows also, you can lift one eyebrow only. For this, there is another exercise which I will show you in another video. So we use this also. So when you are giving a sum and you are looking one side, your one eyebrow can go a little up. Okay? So these are the movements for this Uttan. So let's do this Uttan with Lehra. Okay, so this is the Uttan. I will come back again with new dance composition. Till then, see you, take care, and please practice and do comment for our videos. Thank you so much. Namaste.